Rich King, yeah, I'm thinking about signing it.
Hey, you know the suite full of clothes, man. This shit like the mall now. You know what I'm talking about?
48 hours a day.
Yeah. We feel like they cash and we got a good vibe. Personal shopping pieces and they come from Milan. I feel to be the king, I'm fit for the crowd. Busy, but I keep a bad bitch on my line. Busy cause myself, I don't twerk for the work. Who you know, clock in first to the first. I got niggas locked away, shit could be worse. I just bought a pound of red, spent the bitch first. Ain't do no kissing, flexin' right, not lame, no reminiscing. If I stand this paper up, then it's a midget. My niggas gon' keep spinning blood, just like a fidget. Eyes open, caught a vibe. Say that she religious, pussy good and that's on God. You can tie me down and I'ma let the beans dry. She been bragging about me, she like let my friends ride. Okay. Yeah, OG type nigga. This right here, BBS gon' look crazy if the lights swing. Yeah, I'm like a chemist, take the coat and mix Sprite with it. Base be getting money, so you know that I'm a tight nigga. It feel like they cash and we got a good vibe. Personal shopping pieces and they come from Milan. I feel to be the king, I'm fit for the crowd. Busy, but I keep a bad bitch on my line. Busy cause myself, I don't twerk for the work. Who you know, clocked in first to the first. I got niggas locked away, shit could be worse. I just bought a pound of red, spent the bitch purse.